it. Yeah. Hello po. Oh, it's huge. It's big, darling. Kalinga? Kalinga medium roast.
Okay. I'll go with your recommendation today. Don't make me regret it.
Me too, same. You want cookie? Oh. You want mine? Oh, it's cold. Right? Yeah, thank you. Nice. Perfect. Maybe you want to check the... Oh, wait lang. Wow, they have buffet. %. What's this? Puchero. Oh, empty. Kare-kare. Oops, empty. Hello, kuya. Yay! Baler!
We're back.
Darling Street. Where are we, darling?
Oh, you're recording me.
Yeah. Popcorn. Guys, free popcorn. Ta-da! Free popcorn with cheese powder. Only popcorn. Eat all you want. Free cinema.
Has it been that long?
Look at that.
You're still back on pause and see what helps you get all this.
What is this? CR. Swimming pool. Wow. So nice. Why would I?
sure you are.
Why would I be nervous?
Why would I be?
Why would I be? I know how to swim. Don't swim.
Surf day, Baler. Baler, trying to surf. We're gonna try to surf today.
They want. Oh wow, look at that.
Hi ma'am, warm milk po.
Hi, thank you.
Hi ma'am, thank you po.
Which way? There you go. There you go. All right.
I guess that would be to the south.
Yeah, south. Hello, Robert.
Oh, do the surf lessons right here.
Darling, I have a question. Why grounding is very important? Grounding.
Grounding
Why?
is supposed to help balance your charge, your electrical charge in your body, your system. I think you get too many. I'm not 100% sure. Have to look it up. I know I think you carry too many positive ions when you don't ground, and then when you ground, you get more negative. Well, it helps. I don't know. It helps balance something.
Yeah. Well, it's all about energy, you know?
It's about balancing the energy.
Yeah, it's balancing the energy. Good afternoon. What time is it, darling? Time to eat. Early dinner. Early dinner, 5 p.m. Oh, wow.
What's fresh?
Hello.
Yellow
Tuna. Wow.
Fresh?
Fresh every day.
Did you catch it?
No, the fisherman, of course. Saan po hinuli? Wow, looks fresh, ha? Oh, nice. Sarap. Say hi, kuya, sa vlog ko. Shout out kay kuya. Ano pangalan? Rainiel? Kuya Daniel. Kuya Daniel daw. Hi. Ay, ikaw pala si Kuya Daniel eh. Sino ka?
Gerald po.
Gerald Anderson. Tristan. Oy, Tristan ah. Ayaw pakilala yung sarili mo ah. You're looking for a girlfriend. Sige. How many?
Americana.
American girlfriend. Really? Don't.
California.
California Maki.
California tuna. The yellowfin. How big is the big versus the XL?
Ate, ikaw, ano pong pangalan mo? Annalyn Manilyn Reynes. Mga
Both of those for $3.50? Yes. Oh, we could just do that.
Yes.
Let's do one of
And
those
then
and
shrimp.
one of those.
Okay.
Yeah, one of that and one of that.
One butter.
Yes.
And turkey rice.
But you want some rice? How many rice? 30. Only rice.
What was that? The Blue Marlin steak?
Yeah, both of them.
No.
For two, yeah.
Ate, so yung 260 Blue Marlin,
Both of
dalawa.
those?
Dalawang pieces yun.
Steak po siya, doon po sa, yung grilled po, 350 po siya.
Oh, magkano yun? Yung dalawa, 350. That's 350.
That's for
Still
both.
good.
Let's do that.
Yeah, okay.
One
And then the
of those.
shrimp.
No
What
more,
drinks
no
do
more.
you have? May shake po kayo?
Mango shake, banana shake, and melon shake.
Fresh
Yes.
mango shake. Okay, isa lang. Just one. Just one mango. I like your t-shirt.
I need to go somewhere and have it.
Yay! Good morning. Outside of our hotel, Costa Pacifica. It's really nice here, guys. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. We didn't even ask if they have a gym.
Well, surfing is my job.
Yeah, surfing is
This
my
weekend.
gym. Yeah.
This weekend.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Look at the swimming pool. Oh, there you go. They're there already.
You gotta do the gate here on the left.
Where? Nawala niya yung earplugs niya last night for swimming. Ito po yung swimming pool dito sa Costa Pacifica.
The guy was already cleaning.
Oh, the guys already cleaned the
I
pool?
think I saw him already.
Okay, we can ask him later when we get back. Guys, yan po yung restaurant nila. Nope, nothing. Pakay siya pang laps, but 4 feet lang siya yung lalim niya. And then dun, 2 feet para sa kiddie pool. Ayan. Ayun sila guys. They're all waiting there. Ready na kami mag-surf. Are you ready, baby? Are you ready to rock? You're the rock.
Zip up, baby.
Huh?
You're gonna lose your top.
Hi, morning! Sobrang friendly nila guys. Yan, Kuya Mike. Siya si Kuya Mike. One of the lifeguard dito sa Costa Pacifica. Na-recommend niya si Kuya Mike. Ayan. Morning!
Good morning.
Hi, morning! Morning po! Good morning, Kuya! Morning, Kuya! Hello, 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 hello.
Safe na ulit.
Yes! Ready! Excited na kagabi pa. Ayan, wow, we have chairs.
No board yet.
No board yet.
Oh, where's the guy?
Ayan, guys.
Hey, baby, look at the channel. Find the channel.
Huh?
Find the, I think it's over there. I think that's where the
Oh! No?
waves, I think it's where the waves are, they break early. Or they don't really break. They break.
Good morning, Philippines.
Come back and do breakfast. We might even do a
Yes. On their own.
Well, yeah, they're probably locals. They live here. Like Adam.
Adam. Yeah. Adam. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. He's still catching waves. Where are we going?
Beach of the boardwalk.
Ah,
Grounding.
beach, of course. What?
Grounding.
Grounding.
Helps balance you electric.
Good morning. Hi. Hello. Morning po. Gaano ka nakatagal nagsusurf? How long you've been surfing?
8 to 9 years.
8 to 9 years. You're local here? You're from here?
What's
Wow.
your name?
Marvin.
Marvin.
Nice to meet
Rose.
you.
8 to 9 years. Wow.
You live here?
Yeah.
You surf every day?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
not in the summer. Where do you surf in the summer?
This place.
Really?
Front.
You can still hear it in June, July, August?
Wow.
Really? But it's smaller?
Yeah.
Smaller waves.
December is big wave. Coming to December.
December.
Especially Burmans.
Burman. So November is a good timing.
How about January?
January, small waves.
Small waves.
Yeah.
How about around by the river?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh,
just go
okay. Just here. I
Okay.
see.
We don't want to hold you up.
All right. Enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy, Marvin. Bye-bye. 8 to 9 years. Yes. Trying. Huh? Rose Brioso official. Yeah. Thank you po, Kuya Marvin. Wow. Yeah, you too. Enjoy. Wow. What do I like about Baler? Well, yeah, the locals. The waves, of course. The vibes. The sound of the waves.
People are nice, right?
Yeah, people are nice. Yeah. They're so accommodating.
Wait.
Okay. No more. Good food. Good view. With my good looking. Love, love. Thank you,
Surf's
baby.
up.
Nurse. I think they have helmets. Oh, wow.
Here, let's go down. We're going that way, baby.
Darling, darling. Oh, no. Too high for me. Help me, baby. My legs sore.
Yeah.
What do you think is that? Tennis. Tennis court. I think it's a tennis court.
We're gonna try to do a building. There's some kind of building there.
There you go, our room over there.
Here's the truck.
Yellowfin, our favorite. My favorite place. Wow. Oh, maybe here. Crash pad.
Hello.
Hi. No. Maybe here. Are we lost, baby boy? Uh-oh.
Now it's gone. I
Now
don't
it's
have any
gone.
service of nothing. Hello. Good guys. Good guys. Next one.
Next door. Oh, thank you po. Salamat. Darling. Car behind you. Darling, car behind you. I think it's going in.
Oh, yoga.
Yoga. So, huling tingin dito sa Baler. So, 1 week from now, pupunta po kami sa La Union para i-try yung surf doon. Magsi-surfing kami. So, yeah. Bye-bye, guys. Bye!